Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing my face. My name is Aisha and welcome to another VLOGMADAN video. So welcome to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Today is May 10th and it's Mother's Day, and yeah, I'm making oxtail for the family tonight. Oxtail with rice and beans and plantains. It's gonna be a nice one. It's gonna be a pretty nice one. My mom's in the kitchen. She's gonna make some egusi soup. But it's been a pretty chill Mother's Day. How do you feel, Mother?
Okay.
You feel okay? We're not doing anything too... Hey, what is this? We're not doing anything too crazy today because my mom and my sister's birthday is May 21st. And we're just gonna do something really big May 21st, May 23rd, after Ramadan is over. We're going to like celebrate her, Eid, everything all together. But she's still gonna feel pretty special today. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
In other news, we went to H Mart to get the stuff for the oxtail. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul for you guys really quick. So for the recipe we needed fresh thyme, so we got some fresh thyme, carrots, we need some scallions. We didn't have any more garlic powder, so we had to get some garlic powder. And then we got some browning because I need that. Some fresh lemon. This is not for today's recipe, but we just decided to pick this up for whenever we season our chicken. This oxtail marinade. So I'm just gonna marinate the chicken not the chicken, the beef right now. Keep it in the fridge for a little bit, and then when it's closer to the time for us to break fast, I'll bring it out so we can start cooking. Oh my god, guys. So I just finished watching the video and I teared up a little bit because Desi just announced that she's pregnant on Mother's Day. Anyways, my grandma is here. Say salam alaikum. She's so cute. But yeah, she's here. So we're going to have a real Mother's Day dinner. So I'm about to start cooking. I was gonna start cooking before, but everybody was cleaning up, so I had to wait. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off my dry seasoning. So I'm gonna take some Jamaican, it's just curry powder, it doesn't really matter, just skip curry powder. So I have added everything, all of my seasoning to it, and now I'm just massaging. I put potatoes, carrots, onions, ginger, fresh thyme, everything. I know that looks kind of nasty, but this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna put it inside the fridge for like an hour to just marinate and take it out, and then, you know, I'll pick up from there.
Makes a lot of difference if the spinach is watery or if you squeeze the water out.
What's the biggest difference? It's just that it won't be too watery. Okay.
And it will be able to soak up the water that's in
the
it
soup.
already.
Okay.
But if you make it, we'll take it in with frozen ice and stuff like that. It's gonna come out too watery.
Y'all, do you see that? Mama's chefing it up. This is so she was basically preparing this for suhoor. I think I mentioned this a couple vlogs ago. Yeah, I think I mentioned a couple of vlogs ago about like how Nigerians eat swallows for suhoor a lot. That's definitely the case for us. We eat eba, fufu, amala, semo. Never pounded yam for some reason. Yeah, but I mean, I'm excited for the egusi soup, chef. I just took it out of the fridge and this is what it's looking like right now. Can you see how soaked the meat is in the marinade? Like, it's soaked. So what I'm gonna do now is actually take each individual meat out and put it into a different pot and have it start cooking in there first. So this is what the oxtail is looking like right now as I've taken it out
of the pots. It's just, when I tell you this baby is, she's marinated like
So I've added water to it and I put it in a bigger pot, and yeah, I'm just going to allow it to cook for like 30 to 40 minutes on medium, like low, like right there. Yeah. So I've added like the rest of like the carrots and everything to it, and I'm again just gonna leave it to cook on like medium high for, let's say, an hour. Let's just say, you know, I'm gonna leave it for an hour on medium, not medium high, on medium, and allow it to cook and allow the meat to become really, really tender. But yeah, it looks good. This is what it's looking like right now, and as you can see, it has become a little bit more thick, like the stew, and it's definitely a little bit more tender. I would still leave it in here for a little bit longer to cook, yeah, because I want it to be a lot softer than it is right now. All right, the oxtail is still cooking, and obviously we're still fasting, so it's not time to break it, so I'm just trying to make sure it stays on the stove for as long as possible before it's time to eat. But you guys, presentation, eh? Presentation. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty well, to be honest. For my first time, I think it came out pretty well. Thank you guys so much for watching my video to the end. Today was a really good day of Ramadan, of fasting, alhamdulillah. Yeah, everybody liked dinner, so I'm pretty happy about that. Even though it was my first time making it, definitely gonna try it out again and change some things up. But I'm very, very much happy with the way it came out for my first time. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.